Fit like nu. Welcome to Learn Scottish Words Part 8. Doric Scots, the tongue of the northeast of Scotland. Our first word is oxter, and that means armpit or armpit. Now, as you can see in this picture, there's a wifey waxing her oxter. In this picture here, you can see a lad with twa hairy oxters. So he's got twa oxters. So that's the word oxter, which simply means armpit. Now the next word is Coopin. Now your Coopin, as you can see in this picture, is your face. So that's the word Coopin, which means your face. Or with another word for your face, you can call it your Fissoag. So it's Coopin and Fissoag. And you can call your face Deish as well. So it's another word, Deish. And as an example, you would say, check out the Coopin in that lad. Or I wouldn't want a Fissoag like that lad. Or check a Deish on that lad. So it's Coopin, Fissoag and Deish. Now the next word is coke, and that's to retch, like you're trying to be sick, so you're coking. Or if you've been sick, you've coked. So it's coke, coking and coked. And there's an example here in the picture. This lad's maybe an hour muckle to drink, so he's in a stage retching. So he's in a stage of coking. So he's trying to coke, or he's actually coked. Now our next word is Dottult. Now Dottult means like confused or loss of memory. And I'm giving this picture here as an example. This lad in the picture, I seemed to have a Dottult Looken. Dottult usually happens to folk when they get to all age, like this old wifey here in the picture is an example. When you get to all age, you start Dott'len, you're getting confused. So it's Dottult and Dott'len. Now our next word is dicht or dichted. Now as you can see in this notice here, it says wipe your feet. Well, we would say dicht your feet, or you would give your feet a dicht before you come into the house. And this is a wifey giving her face a dicht, so she's dichting her face. And now she's giving her hands a dicht, or she's dichting her hands. Now there's a lad in this picture, and in fact this is unusual for a Mannie. He's dichting the inside of his car, so he's giving his car a dicht. Mind you, it is his car, so Mannie's Deet now and again. And there's a picture of a wee bairn, and his mom is giving his face a dicht, or she's dichting her bairn. Now our next word is D. So S means like do. If you're going to do something, you're about to do something. And this lad here, he's doing DIY. So do it yourself, or do it yourself. So he's about to do that. Now there's a photo here, or a picture of a lad scratching his head, and I don't know how this picture got on here, but I suppose you could say he's scratching his head, so that's what he's doing. Now this next picture is a picture of Elvis Presley, as you can see, and his mother was actually from the northeast of Scotland, for we speak Doric, so I would assume that his mother used to speak Doric, the same as us. But anyway, he's dead now. That's another word, dead. Now Elvis is dead now, and he died years ago now. So he died years ago, he died years ago, and or he's dead, he's dead. Another example is this old wifey here. She looks to be a fair age, and you would say if she's not long before she's going to die, you would say it's near long before she's going to die, and that's another word for the use die. Now another example in this picture, this is an old doggy, and he's near wheel, so we're going to put him down. We're going to take him to the vet and get him put down, because he's us near wheel, that he's dying, he's dying, so we say he's dying. This is our last picture. Now these pictures is all just examples, so I'm not saying that this dog's dead now, or I'm not saying that this dog's dead, or I'm not saying that this dog's dying. So the word die can mean to do something, or it can mean to die. Die, die. And then if somebody's died before, you would say they've deet, they've died, so they've deet. Or you could say they're dead, and that means they're dead, so you could say they're dead. So it's the last lesson for the day. I'm going to stop all these words about dying and deet and die, because the wee doggy in this picture looks of a depressed wee dog. So it's the end of part 8. I hope you enjoyed that now. Mine look good for part 9. We'll learn Scottish words. Catch you after.